So let's talk about branding. What do you mean by brand positioning?
Brand positioning is a sentence or two which highlights the unique value proposition of our brand vis-a-vis that of competitors.
Can you give us an example of a brand positioning?
Fast to cook, good to eat, 2 minutes Maggie.
So, does it mean that brand positioning is basically keeping a brand at a place where people can remember it through a tagline or a couple of words?
Yeah, brand positioning is a statement which defines the differentiation factor with the products already available in the market. And we need to finalize all our marketing activities like finalization of logo, tagline, marketing strategy, digital marketing in alignment of our positioning statement.
So let's say that if you had to explain brand positioning to a newcomer in marketing, अगर किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पता है ब्रांडिंग के बारे में या ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग के बारे में, तो आप उन्हें कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे?
See, brand positioning, there is a role of emotion because emotion plays a major role than in contrast to the various facts or statistics, etc. We need to remember this. In that particular case of that particular layman, I would be taking example of Maggie because it will be easily understood by him.
सो बेसिकली अगर ब्रांडिंग या ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग की बात करें तो इट मीन्स दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग एन इमेज ऑफ दैट ब्रांड इन द माइंड ऑफ द कस्टमर. इज दैट राइट?
Yeah, and the brand positioning statement is having such an importance that if you fit your statement and ultimately your product into the minds of the customer, then you need not show your product every time because that statement itself would be a powerful promotional material. But we always promote the statement along with our product. So once it gets registered in the minds or the brain of the customers, then you get ensured sales every time.
सो बेसिकली डर के आगे जीत है से अगर हमें माउंटेन ड्यू की याद आ रही है तो वो उनकी ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग है.
Yes.
Interesting. Is there any tip that you want to give to people who are watching? If they are starting up their brand, what are 5 things they should keep in mind before positioning their brand?
First of all, they should understand their product well. That is very important. And after understanding the product, they should try to point out several features which can be differentiated in terms of their opinion. And then they discuss it out with their team and brainstorm the same so that they come to a conclusion as far as brand positioning is concerned. Number two, the quality can be a parameter which can be helpful in case of defining of brand positioning. Price can be another factor, and if there is certain other things like in case of Patanjali, what they have done, natural products available at the affordable prices. Now, at the same time, they are highlighting that make in India, Bharat. They are using word Bharat. Now, what does it highlight? It involves the belongingness of the customers when they go through particular experience of Patanjali advertisements or the promotional material. And the Ayurveda importance is known to every one of us now. So we are going towards that particular Patanjali products and buying it out. Then another important aspect which we may recall while finalizing any brand strategy, that on what basis we have created this brand positioning statement and how we need to act upon the marketing strategy. We need to align everything. And in the last, sum it up. Create certain brand value based on your brand positioning. And brand value is what? The monetary business which you can generate through your business. So once you have decided positioning, it is helpful everywhere throughout the procedure of sale. And there comes the role of the business generation in terms of revenue. So that is an important parameter.
Oh, that's quite interesting. I think anyone watching this video would get an idea how to start their brand now. Very quick, two rapid fire questions from you. First, do you think that any new person can create a brand value?
Yeah.
The second question, do you think that marketing plays a very crucial role in starting up a business?
Oh, definitely.
That's quite interesting. We're going to see you very soon, but thank you for giving us your time right now. Bye bye.
Thank you.